Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook dating not showing. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to update Facebook application and go on to the Facebook application and click on your profile picture and you have dating option here, but you can see there is no option here. So you simply need to go on to your smartphone settings, go into the app management and click on app list and search for the Facebook. Okay, and here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step, you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to go back and open Facebook application and you have the feature here, but here you can see no option of dating here. So you simply need to go on to the any browser and search for Facebook Help Center. So search for that, click on the first option and here you need to search for the Facebook dating. Let me search for that and you need to search here, click on the second option. Here you need to scroll and here you can see who can use Facebook dating. Click on that option and here you can see that be at least 18 years old, have a Facebook account in good standing, that is at least 30 days old, and the third condition is live in a country where dating is available. So this is the list of the countries where dating is available. If you belong to any of these countries, you can enjoy the dating feature of Facebook currently, but if you are not in those countries, so you need to wait for a few days like me, and after that you have the feature of dating as well. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.